Greetings, my name is Kwanele Jaco. Today I'm going to present my lesson plan for grade 5 under the topic multiplication of two-digit numbers by three-digit numbers in the subtopic in algorithm with a duration of 60 minutes. In the CAPS alignment, which is numbers, operation and relationships for grade 5 using Blossom taxonomy. At the end of the lesson, student will be able to multiply any two-digit number by three-digit number using the traditional vertical method with at least 80% accuracy in 8 out of 10 problems. The resources that I will use or that will be used in the lesson are interactive whiteboards, smart notebook, in Microsoft whiteboards, tablets and laptops. Also Google Slides. Other materials are place value charts based in blocks and virtual, physical or virtual worksheet or scrap papers. Lesson phase introduction will be 10 minutes. Activity, interactive, place value, review and visual animation. The ICT tool that will be used in the class are interactive whiteboards and short 2 to 3 animation videos for display. I will also ask questions to the learners, questions like why do we move the second line and third line. Also, learners will be required to join with dragging numbers to the place value columns, view the videos and discuss in pairs. Develop under the concept of objection concept and gets ready for applying. The duration will be, development will be 25 minutes activity. Guided practice with interactive digital worksheet, data handling and graphic activity. As a teacher, I will be using a vertical algorithm model, 2 to 3 examples on the board, emphasizing place value and shifting, makes round with the class, checks digital dashboard and provide individual support, identifies common mistakes on the shared screen. Learners will be doing the problem solving in 8 out of 10 that are scaffolded on devices or printable worksheets supported by digital sources. Also, they verify answers using virtual manipulative, which is based in blocks, and get instant feedback online. The link, the objectives will mainly focusing. I will be mainly focusing on applying objective, work on it deliberately, consolidation. That will be 20 minutes to develop a present realistic word problem, to write, present, and also word problems that are real life. Collaborative platform, Google Slides, Jamboard or Padlet will be used in the as ICT tools. As a teacher, I will describe tasks and criteria for success, work collaboratively on the board, and conduct a quick gallery work. Also, learners will make one real-life problems, each solve their problem using vertical algorithm. Post solution problem plus problem on the digital board, critical response to the content of 2 peer posts, assess. and also what was I will conclude as what was the in by a question as what was the most important thing you learned today. Include important of skills in real life, like example cost area, quantities, and so on. Then I will give homework, uh, make them to solve two additional word problem that require 2 digits multiplied by 3 digit application numbers. Prepare to share one in the next lesson. Thank you.